Hey everyone, I want you to see another idea for a good meal on the road. My wife packed this chicken soup for me. I got some tortillas and I got some fried chicken. So we're gonna warm this up in the microwave and we'll see the end result. While we're getting that warm, just want you to see, like, I got some tortillas right here. I got another chicken. This is vacuum seal. She cooks this and we packed it at the house. It's fresh. Some yogurt, cream for the coffee, some ketchup. And here I got another thing of soup, some fruit, some teas. So that's how I try to pack. I got some lasagna, and I got some good stuff here. Watch this right here. It's brisket. So those are ideas that you guys can use. Okay, so we got the soup right here. We're gonna try to pour this right here without making a mess, which is nearly impossible. Let me get it out. Here we go. So we got our homemade chicken soup. All right, and here's our meal ready to eat. I hope you guys have enjoyed this food idea. This is what I eat, but anybody can bring their own food from home, vacuum seal it, and enjoy it on the road. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.